we will discuss the IELTS General Book 7 Test B, Writing Task 1. How to write an informal letter. Last month, you had a holiday overseas where you stayed with some friends. They have just sent you some photographs of your holiday. Write a letter to your friends. In your letter, thank them for the photos and for the holiday. Explain why you didn't write earlier and invite them to come and stay with you. Begin your letters as follows. Dear Dash. This 150-word informal letter can be written as follows. Dear Raj and Shelley. Now this is the opening salutation where you'll write the first name only. In para 1, greet your friends and then mention the purpose of writing this letter. In para 2, thank them for the photos and the holiday. In para 3, explain why you didn't write earlier. In para 4, invite them to come and stay with you. In para 5, summarize the letter and then end with warm regards, Amit. Now this is the closing salutation where you'll write your first name only. The following slide shows an 8-band score sample of this letter. Dear Raj and Shelley, how are both of you doing? I am doing quite well. As I am writing this letter to you, many fond memories of the holiday that we had together last month come to my mind. To begin with, it was nice of you to suggest that I come over to Dubai from Mumbai for Christmas break. I also thank you very much for accommodating me at your home and accompanying me to the various tourist and shopping destinations there. I just received the envelope containing the trip's photographs that you sent me. Although I had it in my mind to write to you much earlier, I was unable to do so on account of some new projects that I had to work on at the office. You had mentioned that your son's current academic year will be over by April. Kindly accept my invitation for you all to come over to Mumbai and stay for a week or so. I once again wish to thank you for your hospitality as well as for the photographs that you sent me. Do consider my invitation favorably as I am looking forward to spending this time with you. Warm regards, Amit. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do subscribe to my channel to receive regular updates on IELTS and other related topics. You can do so by clicking the subscribe button and the bell icon at the bottom right of this video. If you are interested in joining me for a one-on-one online session, then you can contact me by email or WhatsApp. My contact information can be found below this video in the description. Thank you for watching.